Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start unwiring the dash here. I'm going to start over here in this corner, the headlight switch, and I'm just going to work my way over. Anyways, here goes. Take the whole headlight switch out because there should be like a ground going around it, and I don't want to cut it. Bam. There it is, there's the headlight switch. Just unscrewed this little nut right through the dash. Just like that. I'm going to take this whole assembly out anyway, so I think I'm just going to leave the wiring attached to the instrument cluster here. This is all like chewed through. It looks like maybe a mouse is in here or something. So I'm just gonna snip these with some little cutters. It's just rubber. So I'm just gonna snip the rubber tabs there and just pull it off. So now I'm going to go ahead and take the sweep dash part out. Show you real quick where they're at before I go further. Alright, there's one right there. And there's another right there. This one there. I just removed that one. So my SD card filled up and stopped recording. This is the next day. I've got the speedometer already out, and I took the radio out. 6 little screws, pulled it in. There was one right there, right there, right there, right there. And then there were 2 hidden up underneath the speedometer, right here and right here. And then they just pulled the whole thing right out with the wiring. And there it all is. They just pulled it out and just set it down. I haven't really looked much at it. Still got my wiring connected with those snaps. So this is the dasher insert. I've already got my old speedometer taken out and I've installed this. It looks pretty good. I had to make a small modification to the dash. That right there in that very corner, it was winged. This side, they were able to make it to where I didn't have to modify the dash itself. I think I'm going to do a little bit of drilling there. As you can see, it's off just a little bit. So I'm going to drill that out just a little. Alright everyone, there it is so far. New gauge is installed with our new dash panel. I think it looks really good. It's a lot better than that sweep dash. I actually got some engine vitals now, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you guys for sticking with it and watching these videos with me. And thank you to everyone that's already subscribed. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing a lot more videos just like this. And that's it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I hope you guys continue to enjoy and keep watching. Thanks.